This is mole.
This is mole.
Moles have powerful, paddle-like forelimbs for digging and can tunnel through soil at a rate of up to 15 feet per hour. Their velvety fur allows them to move backward and forward in tight tunnels, and they have poor eyesight but acute senses of touch and smell to navigate underground. Prairie dog.
Prairie dog.
Prairie dogs live in extensive underground burrow systems called towns in North American grasslands. These burrows have chambers for sleeping, storing food, and raising young, and they use a sophisticated vocal communication system to alert others of predators. Earthworm.
Earthworm.
Earthworms aerate soil by burrowing, improving fertility and water infiltration. They lack eyes and lungs, breathing through their skin, and can regenerate segments of their body if damaged. Fossa.
Fossa.
Fossorial animals, like moles or certain rodents, are adapted for digging. If referring to the Malagasy fossa, it's not truly underground but may use burrows opportunistically. For true fossorial species, see mole or gopher. Gopher.
Gopher.
Pocket gophers create extensive tunnel systems and have cheek pouches to carry food and nesting material. Their burrowing can disrupt agriculture but also helps aerate soil and promote nutrient cycling. Badger.
Badger.
Badgers dig sets, underground burrow networks, for sleeping and raising young. Their strong claws and muscular bodies allow them to excavate quickly, and they are nocturnal, hunting for small mammals and roots. Armadillo.
Armadillo.
Armadillos dig burrows for shelter and to escape predators. Their bony plates provide protection, and they can hold their breath for up to 6 minutes to cross water or dig without inhaling dust. Burrowing owl.
Burrowing owl.
Unlike most owls, burrowing owls live in underground burrows, often taking over those abandoned by prairie dogs or other animals. They are active during the day and use their burrows to store food and raise young. Meerkat.
Meerkat.
Meerkats live in cooperative underground burrow systems in African deserts, with multiple entrances and chambers. They take turns acting as sentinels to watch for predators while others forage or maintain the burrow.